Никакой. Moramo delati. Ni druge.
Ni druge.
Ne.
Hello, Sandra.
Hello.
Could you explain me what's this?
Hypoxia method is a really great method for targeted slimming on specific areas on the body. Sometimes you know how happens when somebody is pear-shaped, and when they start eating less, working out more, they always lose weight on their face, in the upper body, but they cannot lose their bottom or their legs. So hypoxia is just
It's completely system for every part, or no?
Yes, it's for every part. We have two different machines for bottom and legs. One machine for this middle part, which is stomach. And on the beginning, we start with a kind of lymph drainage. It's called hypoxidermology. It's perfect for, it's like fitness for skin.
That's why you have a so good figure, slim and so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. That's
Because
a nice
you use
compliment. Yes, I use it. I used it for the first time 9 years ago. I lost 8 kilos. And
8 kilos.
Yes.
How long time you lose kilos?
I lost 6 kilos in 2 months. I was doing hypoxia really regularly, which is
How many times in week?
3 times in the week. And after that, I just dropped 2 more kilos. I didn't really do anything special, and it's not necessary to be on a really strict diet or something like that. What we need to do is to separate on the hypoxia day. You need to separate carbohydrates and
And what?
you know, meat and milk and stuff like this, proteins.
Is it popular in Ljubljana in Slovenia?
It's very popular. We have more than 15 studios in area that has 2 million people. So it's very popular, and it's really good feeling, you know, to bring something into country, and then you have such nice results. People are smiling when they are leaving studio. So it's great.
It's for lazy people, if I understand right, because you do nothing, yes?
Oh, you do?
Everything is doing machine.
You have to do a little bit of cycling or walking, or let's say fast walking. Some people may be jogging. It's not so tough, so everybody can do it. My oldest customer is 75 years old, so everybody can do it. If you are healthy enough to do some exercise half an hour a day, then you can do it. And it is exercise. We are using also vacuum to stimulate the blood circulation on these particular areas, because that's what the key is. From areas that are not supplied with blood enough, we cannot lose fat. So that's what we do. We combine exercise and stimulate blood circulation on these areas using vacuum.
Is it expensive?
It's not expensive, especially if you see what you get for the money. I think almost everybody can afford this. And
what's the price for one time, for example?
if you do it one time, it's free, because you have to try it first before you decide whether
To
you
understand
like it
it's
or
okay
not.
for me or not. Okay.
Yes, and then prices in Slovenia for 12 combined sessions, which last 1 hour each. It's 550 euro, which is not expensive comparing other methods with less result. People find it really effective, and I think they like it.
Yes, I agree. Could I taste it?
Of course. I'll be
Now?
glad to. Yes, now, no problem.
What can I have for it?
We need a t-shirt, some leggings or something like that. Sport shoes.
this clothes is not okay.
No, we will change. We don't want to demolish your clothes. It's
Okay.
nice.
Okay, let's taste it.
Let's try it.
Ну что, появилась надежда похудеть и наконец-таки избавиться от целлюлита. Сейчас мы это попробуем сделать.
Jedan vama.
А то за целлюлит доброе изменять, да? Когда ты користишь общественные мышцы целлюлита.
За целлюлит нужно и это. Да.
Все средства хороши в борьбе с целлюлитом.
Tu mi daste ruke, pa izdignete nad glavu. Sad ću vas moliti da mi ovako malo pridržite ovdje. Ja ću zatvoriti. I sad mi ulazite ovdje lijeva noga, tamo desna noga i ovdje se sredite na zic. Da.
Руки положим.
Sad ću vas zatvoriti. Reguliramo i višinu i nivo sedeža i pedala i svega.
А може да более яко или тут нема избора
Ja,
програми?
ima izbora programa, ali bi vas morala prije malo, pedale ću vam malo spustiti, mislim da je bilo. Je li okej sada?
Да, sad окей. Значит, тут можно все отрегулировать, подобрать программу, подходящую для себя. И колика минут?
Pola sata.
И мы sad mora polosati.
Ne. Možemo kad god.
Минимально хочешь.
Ja.
Malo
Znam. Sad će se zatvoriti i sad počnete pedalirati, vrtiti bicikli. Tu su vam koliko vam ide
Koliko
okrepljaja na
kilograma?
rounds per minute, puls. Tu je ili vakum ili kompresija, ovaj aparat kombinira i kompresiju i vakum. To vam je koliko teško vozite bicikli i tu je čas.
А более яко, да?
Ovo sad je ok, od 65 do 70.
Ага.
Da. Ajmo sad probat, ako je već.
Вот эта штука поднимается, как живот на последнем месяце. Но надеюсь, что будет какой-то эффект. Как это эффект?
U obrnutom redu sami dignite rukice. I to je to, još vam uzivam da. Hvala.
Хвала вам. Ну, как, я не похудела?